Want to know how to play games in Messenger? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Messenger application, and once you have done that, you should be provided with these interfaces right here. So you can just simply open up your Friends tab. So your Friends tab should look something like this. And now once you're there, here you should be seeing various options. And on the bottom left side, you should be seeing this plus icon right here. That should be right beside the camera icon. So once it's selected, here you should be seeing various options, and right above location you should be seeing play games. So just simply select play games right here, and you can see various games you can play from. You can just simply tap on it to choose, and then your game should open calling Crispy Gaming. So now once you have played the game, it should send high scores or records to your friend, and you can just compete. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.